It's recording.
What are you doing?
We're recording.
Wait up, guys.
Maybe it is.
Start dancing.
Oh yeah, let's dance. Ready, SpongeBob? SpongeBob? We need music. I can't do it.
Oh my god.
Put your phone on then.
The pants on.
Yeah, ready?
The pants on. Go frontwards. One car comes.
It's recording, just to let you know.
Hi.
Good thing.
I got pants. I am slightly retarded. I'm a red retard.
Joy to
Hear me.
your mom.
Red retort.
She's not.
Look, I got ninja power.
No.
Say hi.
It's either white or black.
Hi. Hi.
Fake boy.
Honk your
Oh, when your dad comes in, I'll dance home.
Yo, is that her? Yo, when your mom?
No.
I mean, when your dad comes in, I dance.
Oh, we gotta run in the
It's hilarious, isn't it?
No. How when I dance in the middle of the seat.
in the house.
No, I'm not doing that, my dad.
Why? It's so funny. Honk your horn.
Honk.
No, I dance.
Dance.
We just running to honk your horn. Megan, the one time she the guy was out here and she was shaking and I ran right into a truck.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Here she comes. Is that it?
No.
Honk.
Honk your horn.
Honk your horn. Honk your horn. Honk your horny. Honk your horny.
Here, honk your horn. Honk you too.
Hey, Freddy.
One if you're horny.
Ow, you static me.
Ew, that doesn't look like.
I'm videoing it, that's why.
Ew, you have one of them triangle tongues too.
I do the worm if you honk your horn.
I'll do the.
Or maybe
Do the worm.
I'll do it right now. The sprinkle. Go,
Wait, hold my phone.
Go, Timmy.
I do. Haha, he liked me better.
I don't
See, this is Timmy's phone.
I dare you do when a car comes by. When a
Dad
car
comes.
comes by on that side, I dare you to do it. Go, robot. Is that Leah? Yeah, here comes the car. Here comes the car. Get down. That's Leah. It's probably Leah because it's white. No, it's not. Get down.
That's not Leah. Do the worm, hurry up, do the worm.
Go, Timmy. Go, Timmy. Honk your horn. Honk. F you too. TV.
I dare you to touch a car.
Oh, who, me? No, your dad. I'm the best at this. Wait, by the way, I gotta touch the car. No, move. I gotta touch the car. Honk your horn.
Honk your horn.
Sorry. Honk your horn.
You're not recording anymore?
No, mine's just stopped on me.
Mine didn't. Mine's still going.